Hi, this is Henri Pihkala, the CEO of Streamr, and welcome to transmission number 2. Let's jump right in. This last month has been really productive and hectic, with some great markers of success. As I record this, we almost have 10,000 followers on Twitter. Our Reddit community, which we only launched a few weeks back, already has 5,000 views per day. And last week, we briefly entered the top 30 market cap for tokens for the first time. So thanks to everyone in our community for your continued support. On December 1st, we were at Slush 17, demoing alongside hundreds of other startups. There we announced a really exciting partnership with Jolla and Zipper Mobile. These projects are trying to build the world's first blockchain smartphone. Our mission at Streamr is to allow people to monetize the data they produce every day. A blockchain smartphone with Streamr integration built in will mean people will be able to start sharing that value. Slush was also really exciting because we got to meet with the guys from Ruuvi. We were really impressed by their Bluetooth sensors, which can measure temperature, air humidity, air pressure, and acceleration, and run on a single battery for 3 years. What's even more awesome about them is that both the software and the hardware are open source, a perfect match for us. So we wanted to make it very easy to connect data from Ruuvi tags to Streamr, so we made a little library for Node.js along with a cold chain monitoring demo, which we published earlier this week. So feel free to hook up data from your own tags to Streamr or play around with data from ours. Finally, in our previous episode of Transmission, I said that we'll be building our comms team. So now there's someone I'd like to introduce to you.
I'm here with Shiv Malik, our new head of communications. So good to have you on board, Shiv. Welcome to the team.
Hi.
So could you tell the audience briefly who you are?
Yes, so I was an investigative journalist for The Guardian for 5 years. And before that, I was a journalist working for lots of different people, including the BBC. I'm the author of a couple of books. And for the last 6 months, I've been working as a communications advisor for Jolla.
So not your first crypto project to be involved in.
No, it really was a baptism of fire with them. So hopefully I'll be able to take those lessons and import them to Streamr.
Sure. So why did you decide to join Streamr?
Well, a couple of reasons. I think you and Risto are brilliant sort of leaders, great CEOs, and also great kind of, you understand the technology, being a developer yourself. So that makes, my life really easy if you're able to go out on the stage and explain all of that.
Oh, we're trying.
So the second aspect of that is that Streamr has a really simple proposition, in a sense. So really sort of, and that makes a very powerful vision. At the heart of that is that, people understand what a data economy is. They also understand that they don't control their own data. In fact, it's a few sort of huge number of sort of companies such as Facebook and Google and Amazon who do control that. So there's sort of oligopolists, if you want. And I think that the solution is perfect, right? Create a marketplace, allow people to trade their own data, to buy and sell and control what they have. So it's a great proposition.
Right. So as head of communications, what will you actually be doing?
That's a very good question. I have more than a few ideas, hopefully. Which is why you gave me the job. So the first and
doesn't
foremost,
have a clue.
Yeah. No, I do. The first thing on my list, and perhaps the most important of all, and what I'll be spending most of my time doing, is building a community. You can't have a decentralized product,
absolutely,
or network without building a community behind that. Otherwise, it's nothing. So that's my primary aim. In that regard, we want to make a hire for a community manager. Yes. So that's actually, we've got a few irons in the fire, so hopefully we'll be able to tell you about that next time. And the other part of that is making sure that all our sort of channels are up to scratch, that we're moderating, we're answering questions, we're being responsive, we're giving updates like this one and many others. And then the final bit of that is that also to explain to both sort of token holders and to users, we already have a product, we have tools, we have things that we're already doing, we have things that we've done, and we want to sort of be able to demonstrate that and show our use cases. So it's really exciting.
Yeah, exactly. And you'll be seeing a lot more of Shiv probably in the future, so stay tuned.
Thanks for joining. We wish everyone in the community happy holidays and New Year, and we hope to see you in 2018 with further progress and announcements. Bye.